What's up, guys? This is Aaron. This channel is called Hotel Delta, bringing you all things two wheels. Let's take a quick walk around the El Diablo. Finally got one in. You guys have any comments, hit me up below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next ride. All right, guys, so while we had this bike here, I just want to do a quick walk around. This is the El Diablo. Every dealership, well, not every dealership, but almost every dealership's getting one of these. They're only making 1,500, very limited run. There you can see this one is number 1290 of 1,500. Some of the special features of this bike, if you can't tell, obviously the paint. It's got the Rockford Fosgate kit already installed in it. This is actually the first bike I've seen have it in person, and this is the first El Diablo I've seen in person. It's all about the paint on this thing. Great pinstriping. See, some of the different sections have different amounts of flake in them. Great detail with the pinstripes. Now, is it worth the price tag? I'll let you guys decide that. It's a pretty good looking bike. Not mad at the paint one bit. Details in the Harley-Davidson. Pretty cool 117 motor. And again, all about the paint. Good looking bike. Last little special detail is the icon collection on the back. Other than that, it's just a lowrider ST with really nice paint and the Rockford Fosgate kit. If you guys have any questions on it, hit me up below. Like and subscribe. We'll check you guys out next time.